I seen that like sodas.
Fuck, that kid.
Yeah, most kids do. I'm just saying as young as her. That's the first thing I was saying as young as her.
What do you think, Scotty?
Scotty. What do you got there? Is that package?
What job?
Can I see what's in there?
You little porky.
I carried it down. Oh, that's
No,
big
this
missiles.
No, I'm not doing the box. I have to save some for
No,
girls.
I didn't want to do it. I just wanted to see what brand it was.
These are all the same brand. They all came from the fireworks place.
Go this way.
Go that way. Go run.
No.
I swear someone's trying to race us. Yeah, trying to be the last one.
Right here. See it?
How many missiles that one?
Three on the top. Okay. Stop. Both. You keep your hands to yourself.
No, take it this full. That's pussy Gaga.
That last one must have been half a duck. Because that definitely didn't take out. Alright, we should pick up all our 7 and... Alright guys, we got a few more short quiz and then we're going up and ready for bed.
Hey, why don't you guys get a broom real quick so we can swing on this sidewalk real quick? And a dustpan. There's a bunch of pieces. I just don't want it. Somebody to say something. Once we clean up our mess, they won't say nothing.
Not like they can.
They can, because they're.
Well, I know that. But I was talking about
Margot. I think it was Margot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It looked like Margot. Hold on a minute, honey.
Okay, somebody else go.
Is that a cop dude sitting right there in that parking lot? Huh? They just backed in there?
Probably knowing them.
I didn't know there was a step down.
Probably knowing Bennington PD.
Somebody grabbing a broom?
stop.
Ah, that hurt.
Hold still.
Ouch. What, you step on it?
No, Spud came back and hit me.
I was going to say, smart one.
Well, she will hold on to it. Tell me what she'll do. I know she will.
What's that, you only
My
one
turn.
piano? Both boys? Oh, you have a boy and a girl? I have a boy. I was going to say, you guys have to go to bed.
That's cool, huh? That's cool, huh?
Everyone get ready.
No, hold. It's almost gone. Good job. Look it. See, it's almost gone.
And you'll probably get out. Do you know when you get? Oh yeah!
Fuck you! How did that one?
Don't know.
That was cool, huh?
And Malika said something about baby mother.
It's a baby mama.
Baby mama.
Oh, crap.
Oh, I don't have garbage anymore.
Move everybody.
Go to the garbage.
Stick it right in here. These ones gotta go too.
Oh yeah, go to the garbage too, George.
Hey guys, you can put them in here for garbage. When they're empty. No, you can put the sparklers in there for garbage. Some of the garbage is already taken out. It'll go out. That's it.
Georgie, can you
Thank you
help?
guys.
Step on it.
You hear me? Thank you guys.
Welcome.
Put it in here.
You guys have a good night.
You too, Joey.
Georgie, can you help me with that one?
Do you go get the stuff from my mother's cake?
At least take that one.
I'll do the big one. You might want to